Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning video for you. I thought I would do a daily kitchen cleaning routine video. Yeah, I'm just starting off with doing my dishes because I like to always start off doing the dishes first. I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Iowa Pine Scent dish soap, and this is one of the holiday scents. I absolutely am obsessed with it, you guys. It smells like a Christmas tree. Like, I can't get enough of it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So right now you guys can get a free Mrs. Meyer's Trio in your choice of scents, plus a free set of Grove Collaborative Walnut Scrubber Sponges, all packed up in a limited edition red cleaning caddy. And this is for new customers if you spend $20 or more. If you're an existing customer, you can still receive your free set of Grove Walnut Scrubbers. And you guys, this is such a great deal. I absolutely love all of my cleaning supplies, and this caddy is so cute to carry them all around in. So right now I'm just going to spray out my sink and clean it. That tray that I'm moving right there, I also wanted to mention that if you spend $39 or more, you can get that stoneware tray as well, which is like so nice. I love putting all my soaps on there, but I'm just cleaning out the inside of my sink and the tile in the background. Oh, I love this tool, you guys. This is also from Grove Collaborative, and this just helps get all the gunk out of like the small spots in your sink and just anywhere in your house, really. It's really good for getting into those little nooks and crannies.
Dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long we're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas.
I'm just taking my microfiber cloth from Grove Collaborative, and I'm going to go over the faucets and the backsplash and just dry those off because it's nice to have them look shiny and pretty.
In the tree from this Christmas on.
Now I'm just moving everything that's on my countertops up so that I can spray off our counters, because we had a lot of crumbs and everything from breakfast and lunchtime. So just getting those all washed off. And I don't always clean the backsplash every day, but it's nice to just have that wiped off, because we get like things on there sometimes, and you know how it goes.
And that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
So I'm just going to wipe off the fronts of our appliances. I don't get to this all the time, but I like to do this a couple times a week because we get a lot of fingerprints from opening and closing up the appliances. I'm just using my surface cleaner to get the backsplash and the top of our range, because we had cooked something and it splattered all over it, and it was just not looking that great. It needed to be cleaned, so that's what I'm doing now.
This Christmas on.
So I'm just taking off our little towels there and getting the front of the range all nice and shiny and good and clean. This really gets dirty quickly with our little one. She's always over there putting her hands on the oven. It's not on, but you know how that goes. They like to look at themselves in the reflection of the glass there.
Christmas on. From this Christmas on. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
So I'm just going to spray off this countertop. It was pretty dirty because I had been baking cookies. In fact, I did a whole blog post on these holiday cookies that I made. They are Kentucky Bourbon Ranger cookies, and I made a little twist on the classic Ranger cookie. If you're familiar with those were one of my favorites growing up. But they are so amazing, you guys. I totally recommend them, so go check that out. I will add that to the description box if you're interested in those cookies as well.
All I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Moving over to the other side of the kitchen, I'm just going to wipe off this area here. We have my son's gluten-free toaster on this side, so that gets pretty crummy. And I'm just wiping that off and getting that cleaned up. Now I'm just cleaning off the bar. We keep all of our glasses that we use for the day just like in the same spots, so I'm just moving those over, and then I'm going to be spraying down the entire bar and just wiping that clean.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Okay, so this is probably the appliance that gets the most hand and fingerprints on it. Yeah, this fridge is definitely not one of those that have like that technology that helps keep the thumbprints or the fingerprints away. This thing gets covered so fast, and I'm just spraying it down. I do have some of that cleaner that you use for stainless steel, and I know you can use olive oil too, but I just wanted to do a quick wipe down with the surface cleaner because I had a lot of other stuff to get done and I was being lazy. I also needed to clean that dishwasher because that is another one. Those appliances, the baby just, you know how that is with kids. They just are attracted to those appliances and they touch everything. So it was pretty gross and it hadn't been cleaned for a few days. I'm just putting out a new clean towel because our other one was getting kind of dirty and I like to always switch out my towels. I'm just giving the kitchen a quick vacuum. I've shown this vacuum to you guys a few times, but this is my Shark Duo Clean. It is so convenient, you guys, because it's wireless and it's like a dream come true. And yeah, it's rose gold, which is like my favorite. So anyways, I just love this thing so much. I'm like obsessed with it and I use it every single day. Alright y'all, I finished. This is my clean kitchen. It makes me feel so much better when my kitchen is clean. Don't forget to go check out the Grove Collaborative Mrs. Meyer's set. You guys will not regret it. It is amazing. Look how shiny everything looks from that surface cleaner. I just love it so much. I use it every day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of